Well, the bank holiday weekend just around the corner, isn't it? Always a bit of a nightmare for us forecasters. Are we going to get the forecast right? Well, the one thing I can guarantee is it's not going to be a scorcher like we had last year. Actually, it was a record breaker on May Day last year with highs of 29 Celsius. We could be breaking records this May Day, but for a different reason, unfortunately. It could be one of the coldest bank holiday Mondays on record, with temperatures only peaking around 13 degrees. In some areas, a good 4 or 5 down on where they should be for the time of year. More on all of that in just a moment. It's not a write-off by any means, but I'll come back to that shortly. For the here and now, it's a case of sunny spells and scattered showers for the rest of the afternoon. Some of the showers are really starting to gather in intensity and moving further inland as well. So if you haven't seen any, you might just see 1 or 2 this afternoon. Some of them heavy with the odd rumble of thunder. And up into the far north of Scotland, well, this is a weather front, a cold front, and it's introducing already this colder air. Temperatures yesterday 18 degrees in Scotland, today only 8 degrees. But if we're lucky, we might see 15 or 16 with the best of the sunshine. Now, that cold front is going to sink its way steadily southwards, and it will weaken off a band of cloud overnight tonight. That cold front will continue to push its way steadily southwards tomorrow. Now, behind it, you can see plenty of isobars now on the chart. The wind's picking up from a northerly direction, a colder source. So tomorrow, Friday, it's transition day, really. That front will continue to push its way steadily south, taking the showers with it. Behind it, colder air and a noticeable difference with the feel of the weather, particularly up north when you factor in the strength of the wind, gusting in excess of 50 miles an hour perhaps, and the far northeast of Scotland. So to the south of the front, we might just scrape double digits, 14 or 15 degrees, but behind it, noticeably colder, particularly when you factor in the wind. It really will feel quite bitter out there. That cold air continues to push its way across the country for the start of the bank holiday weekend, and Saturday is going to be a windy day. The potential first thing on Saturday morning as well, can you believe it, for a light frost quite widely across the country. So it'll start off with some sunshine, that northerly wind driving some showers in off the east coast, and some of them will push inland, but further west you'll see the best of the shelter, the best of the sunny spells as well. So highest values, if we're lucky here, of around 13 degrees, but only around 7 or 8 on that east coast, and it'll be windy with it. But high pressure will start to build from the west on Sunday and quieten things down. So I do want to stress that actually, although it will be quite a chilly start to the bank holiday weekend, there'll be a lot of dry weather, the winds will fall lighter, and so all in all, not too bad, Ben.
Louise, thank you very much indeed. Thank you.